We have ditched that store-bought ice cream. We're crafting our own delicious, creamy, homemade version that is cleaner and healthier. We've been making our own ice cream for over 4 years now, finding ways to keep the treats we love without the sugar crash. This pistachio version is creamy, nutty, and every bit as satisfying, just cleaner, healthier, and homemade. Stick around. We're going to show you how we like to serve our homemade pistachio ice cream, but with a little Mediterranean twist. When you make ice cream at home, you're in control. Most store-bought pints might look harmless, but the ingredient list can be pretty eye-opening. Things like high fructose corn syrup, gums, seed oils, fillers, artificial flavors, and colors. Ingredients that don't belong in something as simple as ice cream. By using real cream and real half and half, you're actually creating a more nutrient-dense dessert, especially if you're low carb or keto. Healthy fats help with satiety and blood sugar balance, so that you can enjoy dessert without the insulin increasing sugar crash. At the end of the day, it's not about being perfect. It's about making smarter swaps and using real, clean ingredients that love you back. Let's get to mixing. All right, we have our beautiful pistachio ice cream. We like to do a taste test. Oh, that's good. Delicious. Would you like to try some, love?
I do. Let me tell you.
It's nutty.
That's a bomb daddy.
Yeah,
Those roasted pistachios are the real deal.
It's pretty creamy. We love this healthy pistachio ice cream as it fits into our healthy, low-carb lifestyle. It's all about the balance of real ingredients and healthy fats. You don't need to give up the foods that you love in order to stay healthy. Simply understand that the quality of the ingredients that you are consuming can affect major positive change in your health. And that's been our goal, finding ways to enjoy life, keep things delicious, and still take care of our bodies. And this pistachio ice cream does just that. So if you are looking for a dessert that feels indulgent but still supports your wellness goals, this one is definitely worth trying. Now, for that little Mediterranean twist that I promised, I'm serving this delicious pistachio ice cream in these crispy phyllo dough cups with a drizzle of honey. It adds a light sweetness and crunch that reminds me of baklava. If you'd like to learn more about how we choose our sweeteners and make desserts like this one fit into a healthy lifestyle, I've put together a free sweetener guide that you can download. Simply scan this QR code. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe for more simple, real food recipes that make healthy eating a joy. See you in the next one.